The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
What would you do?
They're supposed to be helping each other.
Standing on.
She wanted to sit down.
I said, sit down.
And then she started to get
You think you're going to get on my? You think you're going to have you are going to get on my?
Let's find him out in the church and praising God.
Peace in the house and good.
Thank God and say your blood clot.
You think you're better than me?
What is going on?
But it's in the wrong fucking way. You're in the right church, but it's in the wrong way. You're in the right church, but it's in the wrong fucking way.
Now with every fucking poor bitch like you.
Oh, you take a bitch to no bitch.
You want the man, I want the man, you know.
I am a man, I'm a man.
I married you, and I never married.
Don't worry about it. Just sit down.
I never married.
Nobody knows.
I never see me, man see you. And that's why you're talking another fucking man, daddy, man, and you. No one married a boy from class.
You're on 3 legs. You're on 3 freaking legs. I hear no. What you said you was on
All of a
2.
sudden, you want the man, you want him, not the
No,
man.
I'm not supposed to that man.
Yeah,
You're not starting to talk to me yet. And I never.
you fucking old bitch, so.
You're holding. I said, you don't want it to be my freaking head.
She's
Wait.
laughing, you know.
You don't want to live long enough to be my head. Wait.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, what I just present to you is a video that is out on social media that shows of two ladies that is arguing. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think only one of them sounds like a Jamaican to me. You know what I mean? You have to bear in mind that in the Caribbean, you know, some of the countries in the Caribbean might have similar sounds when they are talking. You know what I mean? They might sound similar to Jamaicans. You get what I'm saying to you? So therefore, I put it and say that only one of them sound like a Jamaican to me. However, viewers and subscribers, I could be wrong, so you can let me know what you think about what I just said. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, some things have been said towards this video on social media, you know? Things like, as elder ladies, they should be setting better example. And a question when we remember what them asked is that, is this the way how Jamaicans treat each other when they are foreign or overseas? You know what I mean? Viewers and subscribers, let me point it out that it doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter where you're from, it doesn't matter your race, it don't matter what in any way possible. You know what I mean? Public confrontations and fights and all these things don't look good, viewers and subscribers, as something that can escalate until it reach a bad point and all these things. So the best thing to do is to avoid these kinds of things. You understand me? Just avoid it. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, the things that I just told you that has been said towards this video on social media, now, it might not be exactly word for word as to how it has been said on social media. However, I am trying to explain it to you as best as to how I understand it. You understand? So that you can have an understanding as to what has been said towards this video on social media. So again, it don't matter your race, your age, your country you come from, it don't matter. You understand me? Just avoid these kinds of things because it just don't look good, viewers and subscribers. And that is just my point of view, alright? But anyways, you can tell me what you think about what has been done in this video and what I said as well. You know what I mean? And you don't know me, Dancehall, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. So until next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see?